Welcome back, everybody. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be making stuffed peppers and mashed potatoes. We used to make these at a deli I worked at years ago. They're really good. You'll need some peppers. I've got some frozen from the garden last year. 1 bag of bull and bag rice. 2 cans of tomato soup, chili seasoning of your choice, 2 bags of shredded cheese, and I've got 3 pounds of burger. First, you'll brown your burger and then drain. Okay, and just set that aside. Next, just boil your rice. Follow the directions on the packet. Next, put your peppers in some boiling water. This is to make them tender, to where they don't have to cook so long. I only have about 6 in here. Not everybody in the family likes peppers, so I'm only doing 6, but this will probably do 10 or 12 peppers. But you boil them until they're like a lime green color. And I'm going to set these aside till they cool in a full line pan. Next, you mix your rice in with your burger. Now I'm adding just 1 of the tomato soups first, and if it's too dry, I'll add the other one. If not, I'll just leave it at 1. Next, you add your chili seasoning packet. Then you'll mix that up. I can tell right now that I'm going to have to add the other can of soup. Next, you'll add 1 of your 2 bags of shredded cheese. That was an 8-ounce bag of shredded cheese. Next, you'll just take a spoon and stuff your peppers. Now for those that don't like peppers, I'm going to take a casserole dish with some oil in it and put the rest of the mixture in it. You can also make just like a casserole with this. Instead of cooking your peppers, just cut them up and add them to the mixture and throw them in your pan. And you can also make a freezer meal out of this too. Now just take the other bag of shredded cheese and put it on top of the peppers. Then you'll put it in a 350-degree oven until your cheese is melted. It took about 30 minutes in my oven. Now on to the mashed potatoes. I'm not the greatest mashed potato maker, but Mrs. LaShawna has been asking how I make my potatoes, so I'm going to make them for her today. First, I peel and chunk up my potatoes. I haven't had much luck with a red potato, so I use a white or yellow potato. I put a cup of water and about a teaspoon or two of salt in my Instant Pot. You can also boil your taters till they're tender on the stove, but I have better luck with the Instant Pot. I put it on manual for 15 minutes. After the timer goes off, I let it set for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then I release the pressure. I take a stick of butter and about a 1/4 cup of milk and melt that in the microwave. I drain the potatoes and put the milk and the butter in, and I take a potato masher and just start mashing. And if I didn't mention it, this was about 8 medium-sized potatoes. If I see that they're too thick, I add some more milk. I just heat it up about another 1/4 cup. This took a 1/2 cup of milk for these potatoes. And here are the stuffed peppers out of the oven. There you have it, stuffed peppers and mashed potatoes, and I made some green beans to go with it. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, and come back and see us.